This is Rossi, interchangeable barrel, 410, 22. He's shooting 2.5-inch Remington slugs. All right, Mason, go ahead and line up on the stump.
Tell me when.
Go ahead.
Bugs all over me.
So this is a Rossi, made in Brazil by Taurus. 410 barrel, and it's got a 22 barrel. It just has a bead. The ejection on it's pretty good. I mean, makes one shout. Pops them out pretty good. The 22 barrel has the fiber optic sight, adjustable rear sight, and it has a little ejector on it also. Works pretty good. Tear down on it's pretty simple. Here, do you want to hold this? Hold it right here. Hold it level. So the tear down on it, all you have to do is take this little wing nut off. Wing nut comes out. Take your front grip off, and then this is really hot. When it breaks over, it just comes off like so. And then if you're putting your 22 barrel on, you just do the same thing. Clip it in like that, and put your front grip back on, tighten the wing nut up, and now you're ready to go with the 22. Has a safety right here. Fire and safe.
Oh.
Hammer. And that's your ejector. It's a nice little gun. I think we paid about $200 for it, for 180, somewhere right in there, a couple years ago.